Okay, this is silver. That's the daily. I do not see silver at this point signaling a bottom. It hasn't really continued down towards our red line here on the daily, but it has given us several daily closes under the overhead resistance, important overhead resistance, as you can see here at around 16.2. Let's have a look at the details. That's the 60 minutes. And one option takes the price action right from the top is 1, 2. That's BU3. That's the fourth wave, like that. Okay, 1, 2, 3, fourth wave. Yes, fourth wave, and then continuing down. Any run above 16.2 would require reassessment of the wave count. Given that it is almost certainly drawing a triangle here, it is quite possible that we're going to end up with a wave count that is similar to what's going on in the case of gold, in my opinion. That will turn into an ABC. So we have something like that. But then beware that that could turn into a trap, as it is likely to come down. So what will happen is that we were going to have to take all of that as one. That's one, that's to come down in the third wave. I think that that's what's going on in gold. Okay, so any rally here should not be a sign to go long. That will be a trap, in my opinion. This becomes extremely critical level for you to watch. Yes, 1731. Okay, and I hope it's clear to you why, because if it does manage to run above this level, it's quite possible that this is going to turn into a very important bottom. Yes, but given that we are looking at almost certainly a triangle forming here, I can't see that this is going to be a base of a 5-wave run. So I'm still skeptical of silver's ability at this point to climb and run above 17.3, but I'm just pointing it out to you that in case it does happen and it does run above 17.3, you want to know that this is really, really important. Okay, this is the chart of gold on the daily scale. That is gold in US dollars. And here's what I'm talking about. We go down potentially in a 1-2 third wave, or in an AB, and that is a C that almost certainly is not finished. So if this is 1 and that's going to turn into a second wave, what we are doing now is almost certainly a B. Okay, if this reading is correct, then expect some flashes here, some flashes of bullishness in gold, but be very skeptical. Be very skeptical. If we do get a run like that, that's obviously going to turn into a classic B, and that's going to be an ABC, which means that it is likely to come back. Okay, and that is really the base for my projection that that could turn into a 1-2. Otherwise, if it doesn't have the energy, it doesn't really run above 1260, 1260 right here, and it continues to drift lower, obviously the move is still ongoing. The move that started from here, almost certainly it is still ongoing, and we would experience a test of 1236. It's likely to continue lower than that.